Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Coinbase to your verified bank account step by step clearly. Start by opening the Coinbase app or visiting the Coinbase website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Assets tab on the sidebar. Click on Assets to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Find the digital currency you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Click on the currency to see more details. Look for the trade or withdraw option. Select Withdraw to begin the process. Choose the option to withdraw to your bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts to add and verify your bank account details. Ensure your bank account is verified before proceeding. After linking your bank account, return to the Withdrawal menu. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the Withdraw button. Wait for the transaction to be processed. You will receive a confirmation once the withdrawal is complete. Check your bank account to verify that the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.